Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review and kind of a different little video here we're doing here. It's kind of checking out a B2B business where they have all these really cool products. They have over 100 patents, over 2,000 employees, 16 years of experience, giant factory, and they've shipped over 350 million products. So what we got here is samples here from them. And they not only do the TWS, earbuds, headphones, things like that, but they also have speakers, battery chargers, the wireless ones, cables, all things like that, like kind of like tech stuff. So if you're into like B2B and maybe looking to do some online businesses with your own things, they can also customize these. So if you got your own brand and you want to, throw some stuff out there, it's a great way to do it. I'll be linking their information in the description below. Sorry about that. I don't know why I'm like having a difficult time talking and doing things at the same time. So here's this. We have excellent packaging. And these feature, some have the 6.0 Bluetooth, some have the other ones. So this company deals with some pretty high-end companies as far as making their things for them. They have a lot of different testing and things like that. I'll be posting some videos, or I'll show you guys a little bit later here, the factory and things like this. So you can see these are ready right for the shelf. They got the clips on them, nice packaging. Very cool. Like I said, they can customize these for you as well if you do want to throw your brand logo on there. So that's neat. See if I can get them out of here. Test out the sound on these. All right, so here's this one. Let's go this one first. It's got some nice features here. 7.5 hours of working time. And check out the quality there. It's just a nice little case. Looks like almost like a little heart. That's very cool. And check that out. I mean, you could throw your brand on there. Here's our other one. As we can see, we're at 86%. It has a nice display. I like that. A lot of the cases you get, they just basically have a little light on there that tells you like how much is charged. And I like that this gives you like a percentage instead of dots or something like that. So that's cool. We have the little containers right there, and this one here. So these come with your instructions as well. If you need to check those out. Oh wow. So this case is nice and sleek. They're all USB-C chargeable ports. And check that out. The presentation. It's very nice. Wow, these are very dainty looking. We're gonna go over the company and basically what it can handle, what it can do for you guys. So if you guys are into B2B, this one seems pretty legit. I'll show you all the stuff that it has, and we'll get back to you. So they have a massive factory, and they have over 16 years of audio and digital technology expertise. The 1,000 More is the name of the company, and they have served over 1,500 clients. They can crank out over 3 million items annually. They have 42 different product lines. They support ODM. They support fully customization of your equipment that you need. They've positioned themselves to be a tech brand that is innovative, practical, stylish, and fun, and their vision is to become the world's leading fashion tech brand. All right, friends, so just paired up the T5 here. Excellent. Look at this fit here. It's very comfortable. These are super lightweight. One touch, very easy. Starts the music. It's one touch to pause. You can turn the volume down with the other one. Double tap to turn the volume down. Double tap, right side, turn the volume up. Paired right away. Turn on the Bluetooth, discover T5, good to go. Very comfortable, very lightweight. Audio is excellent on here. Just super impressed with it. Okay, so I'm wearing like this right now, but I wonder if it fits like this also. So this one like kind of curls up. This one feels like flush in my ear too. So I think you could wear it either way, honestly. I want to say they're both quite comfortable. I mean, so we have that one right there. And that feels fine. But then it almost seems like it's more built to go in like this way and like tuck up underneath. Look at it. I mean, it seems to fit both ways very comfortably. So I'm not sure, maybe it's ambidextrous or something. I just thought I'd point that out, but excellent sound quality on these. Let's test out the other ones here. Checking out the T01 now. See how quick this pairs up. Open those up. We're gonna go to Bluetooth. We're gonna search. For available devices. There it is, popped up right away, the T01 pairing. Pair, that's so easy. We're done already. Let's pop these guys out. All right, these are like the little tiny ones here. This is the right. Okay, very small, very lightweight. To trigger it, the button, or it's not a button, just touch sense is on these, just very light. Both sides touch the outside. Double tap, pause, single tap, double tap, switch to the next song. Once again, super comfy. These are very lightweight, very comfortable. Sound, excellent sound, connected to Bluetooth right away. Let's check out the other one. Never tried one like this before. Let's switch to my Bluetooth. Okay, we're gonna discover new devices. Just open that up. There it is, T6 right away. So very excellent. Some things you have to mess with. You gotta do a bunch of, turn them off, turn them back on, do all kinds of stuff with them. Let's see, this is, I believe it just goes on there like this. Oh yeah. These are very comfortable. Once again, they're not going anywhere. The case is very nice, sleek, just really good sound. All of these, the sound is amazing on these. I'm super impressed. Bluetooth connection right away. No issues with having to reset it, close them up, shut down the Bluetooth, anything like that. So quick connectivity, like excellent sound quality. All these are very comfortable, very good sound quality. The sensor there, so all of them just very nice. I don't have to go around and hunt for something to push or anything like that. So very high quality products. My first impression on these guys. This is Jack from 1000 More Scaling. You can see they have this massive warehouse. They're able to process daily 300,000 parcels. They can ship goods worldwide. So this just isn't just, hey, they're making stuff and then they let you handle everything. They handle everything from one end to the other. So they run a large scale TWS headphone factory based in Dongwon, China, with their own self-operated global logistics warehouse. Their daily air parcel shipments to the US hit around 30,000 orders. So the shipping capacity is very stable and efficient. You can see they have the whole system from manufacturing to shipping it out is all covered. So this whole process, sourcing headphones from original manufacturers, product packaging, international air delivery to your customers in the US, all without stocking any inventory. This is a perfect like B2B setup here. This company, they're able to put out a lot of these. So if you're into like business to business orders, and you're trying to get some stock or something like this company is set up to mass produce a bunch of nice products. Just a sample of these, I'm very impressed with them. And like I said, you can customize these, put your logo on them, however they want your box to be, all that stuff. These guys can handle it for you. So that's really cool and an excellent product, very high quality.